Hello, good day everyone. For today's tutorial, we are going to discuss how to use VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. So I'm going to share screen. Okay. The data presented here that we are going to use as an example is related to sales monitoring. As evident from our sample data here, some information is missing. So ano yung information or column na missing? It is the item name and price per unit. So the price per unit is required to compute the sales in peso amount. So, there are two required number of sheets before we can use VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP here. So, ang first sheet natin is the updated price per item, which where later on, ito yung need natin to fill up the missing information here sa sales monitoring sheet natin. Next, a unique identifier is needed to get data from another sheet. So, the unique identifier na should be na andito sa uh, sheet natin is the item number. So, ito yung maging gagamitin natin na unique identifier. Next, we are going to check if there is duplicate sa ating unique identifier. So since ito yung updated price per item, dito yung complete list na need natin para ma-fill up yung missing information sa sales monitoring sheet. So dapat wala ditong duplicate values para hindi magka-error doon sa ilo-look up natin. Ayun. So as we can see, walang nag-highlight dito. Means all of this uh, data na naka-list sa item number natin is unique. So, ang unang type natin gagamitin is the VLOOKUP in order to compute the sales in peso amount. So, we will acquire the price per unit from the updated price per item. So, VLOOKUP, and then the lookup value is the unique identifier, table array. So, ang table array natin is from the updated price per item. Since ito yung unique identifier natin from column 1, we will count up to column 3, which were the price na need natin na missing information sa sales monitoring. So, 1, 2, 3. So, comma, 3, and then 0. Stop, and then enter. So, as we can see here, 958. So, let's try to look manually sa ating updated price per item. Ayun. So, the price is 958. So, we are going to lock here para hindi mag-move lang yung cells na pagkukuhanan natin. So, let us copy it and then paste it. So, as you can see, ito na yung price per unit ng item na to. So, next, we are going to check naman yung item name by using the XLOOKUP formula. So, XLOOKUP, the lookup value is the unique identifier, updated price per item. So, ano yung unique identifier natin? It is 1, comma, and then the item name. Since item name, yung hinahanap naman natin sa ating sales monitoring na missing information. So, it is MacBook. So, let's try to check manually. So, yun. Ang item name nito is MacBook. So, ilock lang din natin. So, ayun. So, as we can see, halos same lang yung VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. So, we can use it either way. We can use dito sa item name yung VLOOKUP. Same lang din yung process. And then, we can use either way dito yung XLOOKUP. Same lang din yung makukuhang information from the another sheet. So, yun lang guys. I hope na nakatulong ako sa inyo. And for you to have an effective usage of VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP sa inyong Excel sheet. So that's all for today, guys. If you want more video tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. And that's all. Thank you and goodbye.